All right, getting ready for trading. It is 9:06 Eastern, and there's my things, and there's my charts, and we'll talk to you later. Oops, a little late. I was reading.
The early indication here now, 880 bid and now paper here now selling 880s here. Loafers are buying 880s, 9 evens are trading 880 bid. 880 bid and now for you. 880 bid and now fades on them and 8 bid and on them at 9. So paper here now, bit of all sides here now. The open solid here now selling into the Goldman 880 bid there, guys. Once again, I'm a 7 bid on them at 8 even. Paper
in the opening range in the S&P pit, 2099.50 to 2098.70. Still having trouble with my indicator catching the first bar. As you can see, we totally missed. We don't get paint at all on my first bar. So that's kind of weird. On my Unirenko, it works fine, but on a time chart, no. All right, we had a short, but there was no confirmation. This short signal came real briefly here. No confirmation on a long-term chart. Also, I'm noticing the wave things. I'm expecting this 4 to turn to a 1 later on, but we'll see. We'll wait until the 1 and then back to a 2, and then after a 2 would be the proper entry. And I think I'm finally learning how to trade this. Although, I don't know. Okay, I'm into my first trade. I missed the entry on wave 2, which would have been right about here. Waited past wave 3, wave 4 on momentum, entered, and I'm currently a little bit up on the trade. I have my stop way out of reach. We just hit 8 o'clock, which is 11 o'clock Eastern. We'll see what goes on from here. Seems like the hours seem to be changing of the guards. Well, and my entry on momentum didn't have a confirmation on the long-term stochastic, which I would have liked to have had that confirmation as well, but we went into it. Okay, we're coming closer. 6 ticks away from being filled. Now 4 ticks away. Come on, let's go. Hit it so I can take some time off. Let's see, level 2, 98 is what everybody else is looking for. So come on, just hit me at 750 and let me go home or take a break. Okay, not too happy with the way level 2's looking right now, but we'll see. Here's yesterday's low, which should be support for this price action right now. We had a test of yesterday's low, and then we had a break of yesterday's low. So now it should be support, hopefully. And we need to push through and hit my target so that I can get out of here. I'm not quite moving my stop up yet. I've been tempted to move it just 1 tick below yesterday's low, but we might retest that again. 96.25 seems to be the sticking point right now. If we can break through that, and where is my little pointer again here? Oh, it's over off the screen. Anyways, I keep on seeing more coming in on the ask. And this is a good sign. Oh, well, it was a good sign. 98.75, they have a large number of sell orders, so that's where people want it to go. See what I was talking about? 96.25. Now they're coming out and showing their true stripes. If we can get through this 96.25 one more time, I think my target might be hit. But I'm also seeing fallback here, so I might just close out this trade. Well, I moved my target down and decided that it's time to get out if I can. High volume alert. Crap. A little bit too piggish on this trade. Okay, rerun on this. When I noticed this trouble up here, I should have into the shoulda camp. But anyways, a proper placement of my stop would have been one tick below this consolidation area here. Came into trouble. I'm a little quicker than I was before, but you know, I moved my target down so that I could get a little bit more in the trade. Had I had my stop in place, let's see, 95, 95, 25, you know, we're only talking one tick difference. So I'm pretty much happy with this trade. Would have been happier if my target got hit at 97.75, but you know, hey, such is life. It cost me about $60 in profits from what I could have closed out at the high point. And there we go. Had I not moved anything, I would have gotten filled. Hindsight 2020, but I preserved my capital. Not a very good trade. Well, it was a good trade. Could have been a better trade. It's still a little bit miffed at myself for change. Well, I did better in the trade, but I could have done even better. So anyways, and I didn't take this trade here, which was at 97, because it wasn't a strong trade. And it's only 2 ticks up right at the moment, which probably just 1 tick up on the level 1. It's finally going green though, so there might be a re-entry spot here, but we're getting at the 10:30 reversal time, 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, which is 1:30 Eastern. And here's the top for the day. We're above yesterday's low, but we aren't at the value area low yet. So we still got a ways to go to even consider today even slightly positive. Okay, I just put in the opening range markers. That's what I use these orange lines for. There's the top of the opening range, and there's the bottom of the opening range. We just went a small, you know, 1 tick over the opening of 99.50 high, which is right there, 99.50. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Just a little bit too cautious here. I was thinking about putting in a buy stop at 95.25. I have a reversal signal here, and I just had a feeling that as soon as it hit 95.25 that it would just pop, and it did. It went all the way up to 96 quarter, so that's a full four ticks. Could have had a couple of contracts on and then just peeled them off at 3 ticks. So anyways, hindsight is 2020, and we'll see how well this goes. This looks kind of like a rubber bandish, and it might even come back on us because you know, this was we're into the shorting time frame of the day. All right, last 10 seconds of trading here.
Cash close bell. Early indication, 6:30 bid at 7 even is your early indication. 6.5 bid paper here now, just bought 7 evens 100 times. Paper buys. 7.5 offer. 7.5 offer here now. Once again, cash close here now. Paper here comes in here now. Paper just bought 7 evens. Now I got a seller. 670s are trading. 670s and 7 evens are trading. 670s and 7 evens are trading. Guys, I'm getting two-sided activity here now. Locals getting the best of this here now. Two-sided here now as paper here comes in here now. Both sides here now at the 97 even level here now again. 6 halves just traded. Here comes Sally, a bit of a seller here now. 96 halves traded. All two-sided cash close.
Go, cash close.
Right, here now, Sally comes.
One thing that I did not notice is I had scrunched up my volume here. I'm gonna, when I go back over this video, I'll see the F and wonder how long that's been there. Anyways, so I wasn't quite looking at an accurate representation of my charts for the afternoon. Last minute of trade, and here, let's see what we
Now
got
they
here.
just sold now to both sides. Now on the close. Now once again.
Paper both sides on the close.
Now high today, ladies and gentlemen, in the S&P mini contract here was 210475. Once again, now the mini 210475. Take a look here now. You're going to notice here now that was the high today. You're going to see that we had a low print here today in the mini contract all the way down to 85.25. And I look at the pit high, which was 20.9950. So once again, now we didn't even see that 21 handle today in the pit trade. 20.9950 down to the low today, which was 20.8550. So one settlement, ladies and gentlemen, 96.50 here now for the mini and for the pit.
Thanks to Big Mike and everybody at Big Mike's Trading. Have a great day. I don't really think I need to recap my one trade. That was pretty well covered during the time I was in it. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.